Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. In this video we will see how to launch the TRON mode in your Tesla car. So mine is a Tesla Model Y car. In this one Tesla has in my latest software update they have provided a way for me to activate the TRON mode for my car. So let's go ahead and see how you can activate it. So the first step is you have these three dots, which is nothing but an app launcher. So first go ahead and click this app launcher. In this, you will see this toy box. Okay. Let's go ahead and click this toy box. So as soon as you click the toy box, if you have your latest software update, software release updated on your Tesla model car, you'll get this option. So now in this one, you see I have selected, it is automatically selected Tron, and then you have here let's ride. So let's go ahead and activate it. So this is how you can activate your Tron mode. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.